of canceling out the charges that are the same exact magnitude of each other. So for object C, I have 50 newtons going up and negative 50 newtons going down. Okay, so I'm just going to again cancel these out. These two, the magnitudes don't easily cancel out, so I'm going to just skip. Okay, and then for object D, I have 50 newtons and negative 50 newtons. So again, I'm canceling those out. And then I'm going to go back and look at what's left over. Okay. So here with object A, I only have one force left over. So that means that my net force, so my F net, is going to be equal to negative 20 newtons. Here, I've canceled out everything, so there's nothing left over. So my F net for this object B is 0 newtons. For object C, I have this negative 10 and positive 40, okay? So my F net is going to be equal to negative 10 plus positive 40, okay? So we're just going to get 30 newtons for my net force for object C. And then for object D, force net is equal to negative 15 newtons plus 30 newtons. So we end up with a 15 Newton net force. Okay, so the largest net force here would be object C. The next largest would be object D. I'm sorry, the next largest would be object A, okay, and then object D, and then object B, okay. The thing that I'm trying to cue you here with the from largest to smallest, is that, let's get a different color. When looking at largest to smallest net force, we only look at the magnitude. Okay, so C is larger than A, which is larger than D, which is larger than B. Even though A has a negative in front of it, the magnitude of 20 is larger than the magnitude of 15, which is larger than the magnitude of 0.